What's up, YouTube? This video is brought to you by Webull. If you'd like to help out the channel and get some free stocks, make sure you check out my link below. Hey, I'm Chris saying that today's video is about stocks that I bought today, and I want to make sure that I'm keeping you guys in the loop and up to speed with the moves that are being made on this 100K challenge. But hey guys, listen, if I helped you in any way, whether I was help you make some money or give you a new perspective on the stock market, please make sure you like and subscribe and join us on the journey. Without further ado, let's take a look at my portfolio. Okay guys, I'm back again, 2 videos in one day, after hours, reporting to you guys live, and it is now kicking in, guys, down 2% right now after hours. Make sure you guys check this out just to see again what the institutions are doing in the market while we are out of the market. Okay, but no worries, we're going to get back in our bag soon as 9:30 Eastern time hits tomorrow. Okay, listen guys, today I want to share with you a few plays that I bought so that you guys can see the moves that are being made in real time. Check out my buying power. Now if you watched yesterday's video, you saw that it was a lot more than this. Okay, so today I want to go through with you what I bought so that you guys can see just how an investor goes shopping on these down days. We're not panicking, we're not freaking out. This is part of the game that I want new and beginning investors to embrace and make sure that you follow suit. Okay, let's get to it. The first stock I bought more of was Fuel Cell, ticker symbol FCEL, currently sitting at $9.95. Listen family, I could not pass up on this in the 9s. Okay, I told you the new price target on this one since the correction. Okay, it was, and it used to be 30. We remember we hit that several times, 29 at least to be specific. We bought this originally at $7.76. we took it to $29. Okay, we doubled our money relative ease and rinsed and repeated that. We bought back in at 15 to take it back to $29.30, but then we got hit by the correction. Since the correction has happened, this play has been around $10. Okay, $10 to $12 today. I caught it lacking and lurking in the 9s, and so I could not pass up on this, sitting at $9.95 right now. Let's take a look at my position. I'm currently sitting at 501 shares with an average cost of $9.94. So listen, for me, my goal was to get this under $10, okay? Because the new price target on this is $20 due to the correction, okay? So remember, we will always adjust and play the hand we are dealt, okay? The stock market dealt us a great blow that took our plays down 40%, so we ain't gonna complain. We just gonna adapt and adjust. The new price target on this, for those that do have Fuel Cell, will ride us back up to, again, $20 for the double up. Okay, listen guys, I want you to beat the teacher. If my average cost is $9.94, and this is the level of transparency that I'm talking about, look at this. Very few people show you their portfolios and their plays. What I want you guys to do, beat the teacher. Get Fuel Cell under $9.94. Okay, practice. When I show you my portfolio, when I walk you guys through the game, try your best. Okay, and that's going to require you to be patient. That's going to require you to, again, sometimes put your feet up and wait intentionally for down days or red days. Okay, but try to beat the teacher when I show you these plays, so that when we hit the home run, you know you're probably making more money than I'm making on this journey together. Okay, and the next play that I bought was more of Palantir, currently sitting at $23.20, ticker symbol PLTR. Listen guys, this is probably my favorite stock that I'm the highest on out of our growth stocks. Okay, out of our high risk stock, I should say. Okay, I had this since $8.90. we took this all the way up, rinse and repeated, made massive money in this. I sold out of it completely, and then for this year I have bought it back. And let's look and see where I'm currently sitting at. 201 shares, and your boy got this at $22.89. Look at my average cost. Everybody look and focus on the $22.89 for me. Beat the teacher. Okay, beat the teacher. Try to get this in the 23s, of course get this in the 22s. But if you catch this, because again, I told you, a fully built position for me is at 5,000. I don't put more than 5,000 in these plays, and look at my market value. I'm already right at the limit. Okay, so I'm not adding any more to this, unless it came down significantly, like 10-25%, and my trailing stop loss kicked me out, then I would buy this at 19 or 20 or 21. But if that don't happen, look, 22.89 is where I'm living at, and I'm riding this, and I'm gonna put my feet up, and I'm not buying no more of this. And I don't care if it go down a little lower, because this is a $50 play, okay? And the price target on that will remain the $45 to $50 range, okay? So please be the teacher. Make sure that you are, those of you that are in this play, do your best. Of course, I like it in 23. I love it at 22. I love it even better at 21. But if you can do better than what I did, do so, guys. We're going to eat and celebrate together on this journey, okay? And guys, just that alone is $10,000. I got $2,000 or a little bit above that remaining, and a couple limit orders in place to make up what you guys see in my buying power. I'm always going to be transparent. I'm always going to be real with you. I want you to follow the moves. Those are where my dollars went into. Those two plays. I couldn't pass up on Fuse selling the 9s, and I caught Palantir under 23, so I pounced, okay? That is how you do it. That's how you play the game. And we weather these storms together, and then we know 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 months from now, these plays will be up massively once we get done dealing with the antics of Wall Street. Listen, guys, before I go, I gotta send some love your way. Major salute. I'm so proud of the family and all of you guys that crushed it this week. We were 3 for 3, and some more people gonna win tomorrow when Snap drops in the morning, okay? So we were 3 for 3 on this week. Please keep this up. I want to keep the momentum going. I'm going to hit you guys with probably another option play for next week, and then my weekly option play family, we gonna definitely crush it again. So make sure you guys are jumping into those plays, because those are just phenomenal, okay? We did great this week. I can't even say it enough, okay? Not to belabor the point, up next is our word of the day, and our word of the day is chasing. Listen, guys, I talked to you about the fear of missing out, aka FOMO, last video. Today, I want to talk to you about something similar, which is called chasing. Sometimes, okay, as a new and beginning investor, you will have the tendency to want to chase a stock, okay? Like yesterday, Fuel Cell, Charge Point, they took off to $24, $25, $26. It's easy to feel like the train is leaving the station and you're getting left behind, only to find out if you waited one day, like today, Fuel Cell came down to $22, or not Fuel Cell, Palantir came down to $22, and you were able to get a Palantir quality type of stock, okay, as opposed to chasing Palantir in the Charge Point yesterday when they were flying $25, $26, okay? And so that's what I don't want you guys to do. Don't get caught chasing. Always remain composed in the stock market. Always understand that it's a game of chess, okay? And that's how I want you to approach it. Wall Street is going to throw different things at you. They'll have a good earnings and make the stock market go down. Our plays will hit and be reporting out good things, and then the play will plummet. They will always throw different things to try to discourage you. But if you can maintain your emotions and keep them in check, I'm telling you guys, you're going to be able to see the snakes through the grass as long as you keep the grass cut low and be able to make and adjust appropriately, okay? And so that's what I want you guys to do. Don't chase. Understand, everything always will come back in the stock market. Prices that you never thought you would see again, prices will come back down to those at some point in time. And if you really want it, you can get it at those levels that you desire versus chasing and then buying high, and then when a play crashes, you're stuck in it because you bought it high and now it's sitting forever at this lower level. Remember that, put that in your back pocket, guys. Let's continue to win. Let's continue to dominate. Up next is our question of the day, and our question of the day comes from James Etienne. What's going on, Chris? Appreciate you, bro. Quick question. What should I do next after my trailing stop loss closes out during after hours? Peace and blessings to you and the fam. Shalom. James, phenomenal question. Listen to this, family. If you have your trailing stop loss activated in the after hours, that money is going to go to your buying power. I want you to quickly go into CEO mode. Remember, you're the CEO of your portfolio. I want you to quickly go into CEO mode with that newfound money that's in your buying power, okay? It kept you from a loss. It mitigated any real risk. Now you have your capital to play with. Then you need to assess the stock market. Figure out either if you want to get in that play that kicked you out, if you want to get in that at a lower level, or if it's something else that you might not have your whole 125 shares of, or some other play that may have been on your watch list that you want to deploy the cash to. Or if the stock market is just choppy and it's too much uncertainty, you can just hold the cash and wait for a rainy day or wait for a pullback of sorts or things like that, then deploy your cash. You can always, again, have several decisions you can make when you have cash readily available, okay? So listen, use the trailing stop loss and when it triggers to your advantage to make smart, wise decision. And remember, the stock market is a game of chess, not checkers. James, phenomenal question. Listen, guys, if you have questions or comments, leave them below. I'll grab them and add them to my next video. Listen, we make videos like this every day, so if you like this one, make sure you check out the next one. Remember, most people see the end result. Very few consider the journey. Do me a favor. Don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. Make sure you guys grab some free stock using my link below, and I'll see you all in the next one.